Hi there, I've got some news that might interest you. While you're watching this video, many others have already started moving forward, step by step learning something new. The truth is, no one's gonna show up and hand you the perfect solution, but I can show you the path I once took myself. In this video, I'm gonna share the approach I use, and the greatest part is, it's very straightforward even if you're just getting started. Many members of my community are already applying it in practice and say it's given them more confidence in their decisions. My name is Simon Becker. I've been trading for over 9 years. Over that time, I've worked with international financial institutions, published in respected analytical outlets, and led training events across the globe. Just last year alone, I hosted 8 live sessions sharing the exact system I personally use every day. But this video is not about me. It's about what you can do right now. I'll walk you through how my system works in real time, explaining each step so you understand the logic behind it, not just blindly copy moves. And here's the most important part. Watch this video till the end. You'll learn 3 simple steps that anyone, even someone who's never looked into trading, can use to get started. So the only question is, keep putting it off or take your first step. I invite you, let's get started. If you're still watching this video, it means you're curious about the opportunities in trading. But what if I told you that you could follow all my trades in real time and apply my trading ideas yourself? I've created a trading club with thousands of members where I host live sessions every day, break down the market, explain key concepts, and apply my strategy in real trades. Everything is transparent. Club members see every trade idea I make, understand the logic behind it, and can follow along. You don't need any prior trading experience. I explain everything in a way that even beginners can understand and grow from. Sounds good, right? Access to my trading community is open now. If you're ready to give it a shot, click the link in the pinned comment and join the trading club. Now let's move on to the most exciting part. Alright, let's move on to the session. I've already opened the platform. This is what it looks like. I just need to set a few parameters, choose the pairs and the indicators. Here's one of my favorites. It shows when the market is picking up speed and when it's slowing down, meaning it helps identify a trend earlier than others and make more informed decisions. Okay, everything's set, let's get started. The price is moving in a sideways channel. This is called a range or consolidation. During these times, the market doesn't pick a direction but fluctuates between support and resistance levels. Now the price has touched the lower boundary support level again, but there was no gradual pressure buildup, which means seller pressure didn't accumulate and the price could bounce upward. I'm opening a position to go up, expecting the market to rebound from the level and continue moving within the range. We are seeing the price bounce. A range is one of the most predictable patterns if you know how it works. Let's keep going. There's been a sharp reversal on the chart. The price turned around with a strong impulse. This means buyers quickly regain control. The indicator lines are pointing upward, confirming a continuation of the movement. The market is pressing against the local level, and that's often a sign of an upcoming breakout. I'm going up, expecting the price to break through and keep climbing. The level was broken. A key insight: when the price consolidates against a level, it's more likely to break it than bounce off it. Let's move on to the next trade. After a drop, the price is retesting a level. This happens when the price breaks through a key zone, support or resistance, then comes back to it, like testing if it can stay above it or will fall again. Most often, if the downward move was strong and then the price just returns without aggressive buying, it means the level will act as resistance and the downtrend will continue. I'm going down, expecting a bounce from the level. And that's exactly what happened. The level held. When the price retests a level after a drop, that's often a prime entry point. Moving on. Okay, I see the trend is still down and the market has made a new low, followed by a slight correction. A correction is a temporary pullback, given a chance to re-enter in the trend direction. I'm entering a short position right at the end of the correction as the market gets ready to move down again. A correction is not a reversal, it's just a pause before the trend continues. Let's keep going. You just saw how market analysis helps us spot powerful trade entries. We broke down the logic behind trading, and now you know that every price move is backed by a clear strategy. But understanding is just the first step. The real key is applying that knowledge in practice. To trade confidently, you need live practice and real market breakdowns. That's why I built a trading community where I go live every day, discuss trades, and guide you through the market step by step. You'll see how I analyze the market before entering a trade, you'll learn when and why I exit positions, and you'll be able to use these steps and apply the strategy with confidence. If you want trading to be more than just theory, click the link in the pinned comment and join me. Even more insights ahead. Let's keep going. A bearish engulfing candle just appeared at the top. This means sellers have taken over and are starting to push the price down. The price has also crossed the yellow line of the indicator, signaling the beginning of a deeper correction. I'm going down, expecting the price to at least reach the accumulation zone in this area. We are seeing a trend reversal. Candlestick analysis and indicators help spot shifts in direction in time. Let's move on. We saw a battle between buyers and sellers. First, the market was pushed down, then quickly bought up with a strong impulse upward. The price is now holding above the indicator and making a small retest of the accumulation zone. I'm going up because the strong buying action shows the market is likely to keep rising. Strong moves are rarely random. If big players have stepped in, they won't let the price drop. Next trade. After a rise, we've started to see a downward correction and another bearish engulfing pattern has formed on the chart. This could mean the price is starting to move in the opposite direction. It has also crossed the yellow line of the indicator, confirming a deeper correction. I'm going down, expecting the decline to continue. Just as we expected, the correction is getting stronger. Knowing candlestick patterns helps act fast when trends shift. Moving on. After a strong upward impulse, we are seeing a shooting star, a candlestick pattern signaling buyer weakness. If buying momentum is fading, it often means the market is ready to pull back. The next candle confirms the pattern with a red close. It's a good time to sell as the downward move has likely begun. I'm going down, expecting a correction. Clear candlestick patterns help spot reversals just in time. Let's keep going. Now a different picture. After a strong correction up, the price has returned below the indicator and the lines are now pointing down. This might mean the upward move is over and sellers are back in control. I'm not hesitating, I'm going down, expecting the downward trend to continue. Let's continue moving with the trend. When price drops below the indicator again, it often signals another move down. And now the last pair for today. Just as I mentioned earlier, the correction reached this level, a support level. From there, the market bounced upward and returned to its main direction. The indicator confirms the upward trend. I'm going up, expecting continued growth. How's the trading so far? I hope it's becoming clearer how trading works and what steps you can take right now. You've got two choices: leave everything as it is or try out a new tool that could change the way you manage your finances. If you're still watching this video, then you're already closer to new possibilities than you think. There's just one step left. Inside my community, you'll get access to real trades, a step-by-step strategy, and live market breakdowns. If you're ready to learn more, click the link in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.